Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health Beauty and Wine by Raj. I'm back with another video after such a long time. I'm so sorry, I have been really busy with kids, family, holidays, birthday parties, anniversaries. Oh my god, there was so much going on. Finally kids are at school, now I can take some time out for myself to make some videos for you guys. So today's video is going to be some hairstyling tips. If you have flat hair, or you can say if you have heavy hair and when you open your hair goes like this, like flat. If you don't like teasing and you want to lift up your hair and get more volume, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Let's get started. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel already. If you haven't done that, please do so you do not miss out my videos when I post them. And hit the like button and comment if you do like my video. And also, have you noticed something? I cut my hair short. Also, let me know in the comments if you do like my hair short or long. Thank you. Let's get started. Okay, so to do that, you need a crimper, which looks like this. Has like zigzag pattern in the middle. It's gonna create nice like a wavy texture to your hair. I'll show you how. This is just like a mini one, not too small though. I got this from Target. It's called VS. The brand is VS, and it's from Target. It was $35 or something, so it's not that expensive. I like this because it gives me volume. I'll show you how you can get that volumized look without teasing. So all you have to do is take the one layer on the other side. We're not working on that, we will be working on this. So just over there, like that, and just close to the roots. We're just going to crimp close to the roots so that it lifts your hair. Just there. I'll show you the difference right now. As you can see, it's already looking poofy. And if you see now, this side looks more like volumized. Ta-da! That was so easy. That's it. And we can't really see the crimping part because we only did the roots. So that's what you have to do. And just a bit of spray and styling, or you can just pin it up, whatever you want to do. Just do the roots under the top layer and then you're done. I hope this tip helps, and if it does, let me know in the comments, and please do share the video with your friends and family if they do need to know how to lift their hair and get more volume. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.